In this video we are going to review Pyrex glass measuring cup set. This one of the most popular and best glass measuring cup set you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Pyrex glass measuring cup set. These measuring cups may be ones that you are very familiar with, as they are classic. This handy trio of measuring cups ensures you will always have the right size on hand. Each has easy-to-read measurement markings in red for advanced precision, easy grip handles, and spouts designed for controlled pouring. And because they're made of durable Pyrex glass, you can melt ingredients like butter or chocolate right in the cup and then pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Add a measure of consistency to your kitchen with the Pyrex 4-cup measuring cup that is sturdy and easy to read. The easy-to-grab handle is designed to make it easy to mix, measure and pour. This Pyrex 2-cup measuring cup is a kitchen staple. A comfortable handle and spout make pouring liquids easy. The red markings are easy to read on the clear glass. You can even heat up ingredients right in the 1-cup measuring cup, cutting down on cleanup time. It's a favorite in the kitchen appliances lab for recipe testing and getting the yield of large batches. For details, let's watch more.
Pyrex measuring cups are a must-have essential for any kitchen. The 1-cup measuring cup is a versatile essential for almost any kitchen project. Designed for easy measuring, mixing, lifting, and pouring, it features clearly marked measuring lines and a handy pouring spout. Safe to use in the dishwasher, microwave, freezer, and preheated oven. The non-porous glass won't absorb stains or odors. And as always, Pyrex glassware is made in the USA.